Hi, I'm Neil at Italia Autos, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to diagnose a faulty glow plug. Now this is a Brera 2.4. They're all located in the same position on the Alfa diesel engines of this generation. Let's just do it so you can see them a bit better. You've got one here, one here, one here, one here, and one further along there. Sorry it's a bit dark here, it's a bit rainy outside, there's not much light. So what I'm going to do now is remove one of the tops. And now you can see the top of the glow plug there. You just need a 9mm socket to get them out. Take them out very gently because they can snap. If they are very tight, wind them in and then wind them out just to free them up a bit better. There you go, one glow plug removed. How easy was that? Just do the same for the other four, and then we can get them on the bench and test them out. Some of them are quite tight to reach, so you may just want to use a pair of pliers just to pull them up. Okay, so I've got my glow plugs on the bench. I've got my multimeter set up. I need to turn it to ohms. And just check that the range is set to ohms, not milliohms or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is check the resistance in my leads, which is 0.1 of an ohm, so well 0 ohms, so there's no resistance in my leads, which is very surprising. So now what I need to do is test the glow plugs themselves. You need to put the negative terminal on the main post of the glow plug, and then the positive terminal on the top of the glow plug where the electrical connector would sit. And now what we want is resistance below 2 ohms. So that's 0.8 of an ohm, so that one's a good glow plug. Put that side. Again on the body and on the top. One ohm, so that's usable. So that one's no good. .7, 0.6, 0.5, so it is dropping. So that's a good glow plug. And because that's way high, I would say that this is no good as well. So there we go, we've got 2 faulty glow plugs out of the 5, and one which is probably higher than I'd like it to be. Let's just retest this one again, see if it comes in any different. Yeah, we'll say that one's faulty as well because it's going all over the shop. So yeah, we won't use that. So we've got 2 out of the 5 glow plugs which I can use again. I do have some spare glow plugs here. So let's just test those. That one's okay. That one's okay. That one's okay. That one's okay. And again, that one's okay. So let's just grab 3 of these. So now we've got 5 decent glow plugs. Let's pop them back in the car and we'll see if we can start it up without the glow plug warning light on. Now I've refitted all the glow plugs and popped all the tops back on. You also will want to check the wires for damage. Make sure there's no breakage in the wire or any bare wires showing. That would be touching places you wouldn't want it to. Make sure they're all located down fully. You don't want to over tighten the glow plugs when you put them in because they are very small and they will snap very easily. So let's go inside the car now and see if the error light comes back up. If it does come back up, we just want to plug the computer into it and reset the codes and then see if they come back again. Okay, now we're in the car. Let's just pop the key in. Let it go through its motions. No glow plug warning light as of yet, so let's just start it up. So we got the glow plug warning light then. So what we want to do is reset the codes and then see if it happens again. Let's check for errors. We should have a glow plug one. Clear the codes. Let's turn the car off. Disconnect the software, which I should have done first of all, really. Move this out the way. And then let's go for a start again. There we go, full code with the glow plugs is now gone. I will now just reconnect it back to the computer just to make sure those codes haven't come back. There we go, no fault codes, problem solved. Now that has fixed the fault on our car here. If it doesn't fix the fault on yours, I would then start checking all the wiring to make sure that you have a good connection between the glow plug and the wire, so you can check for continuity between the glow plug and just probe into the wire here. And if they're all okay, then your problem could lie with your glow plug relay, which is this little box here. Again, just held in with a 10mm nut and a nut for the connection underneath, and then 2 more connections to it. Very easy to remove, and I think they're quite cheap, about £20 to replace. So if you're still getting that problem, it could be the relay which isn't faulty, but 9 times out of 10 it's the glow plugs themselves or the wiring. As towards the resistance of the glow plugs, I normally say an upper limit of about 1.2 ohms. Some people say 0.8, some people say 2 ohms, but I like to keep around sort of 1.2 ohms. Any higher than that and I will replace the glow plug with a different one. So there's just a handy tip for you on replacing your glow plugs. Hopefully it'll help you solve any problems you've got with yours. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below. Thanks.